As a person who loves football, I never miss a chance to visit any stadium that comes my way, especially if it has an interesting appearance and design like the one we see before us now. I don't know about you, but to me it looks like a seashell, which makes it very beautiful and perfectly fitting for this location, knowing that the Adriatic Sea is nearby. And the mountains. How do you feel about the idea of a giant seashell next to the Dinaric Alps? For me, it's a blast. I would love to sit in it on a beautiful warm summer evening, enjoy watching football, breathe the sea air and feel protected by the mountain ridges of the Dinaric Alps. After sharing my fantasies and impressions, let me tell you something about this stadium itself. Poljud Stadium, officially called Gradski Stadion u Poljudu, is a multi-purpose venue located in the Poljud neighborhood of Split, Croatia. It has been the home of Hajduk Split football club since it opened in September 1979. The stadium was designed by architect Boris Magaš and structural engineer Jelić, with construction taking place between 1977 and 1979. Originally built to host the 1979 Mediterranean Games, Poljud Stadium had a seating capacity of 55,000, which was later increased to 62,000 during the 1980s. However, after being fitted with seats in the 1990s, the capacity was reduced to 33,987. Apart from football, the stadium has hosted several major events, including the 1990 European Athletics competitions and the 2010 IAAF Continental Cup. From 2013 to 2019, Poljud was also home for the Ultra Europe Music Festival, attracting over 150,000 visitors annually, before the event moved to Park Mladeži. The stadium remains one of the most iconic venues in Croatia, closely associated with Hajduk Split and the city's rich sports and cultural history. Thank you guys for watching the video, see you later and bye.